Hi again, this is Mick from Yanti once more. So, I've got something else for you. This is the prototype of something that I've personally been waiting for a long time, and I know a lot of people have been waiting for it. So instead of actually showing you this as an assembled piece or a disassembled piece, I'm just going to show it to you straight off the bat, because I think it's really nice. This is the Baby J. As you can see, it's big, but it's not too big. It has light diodes, as you can see, which glows once you press it, both of them. It has basically the same design as the Ego has, or rather the Ego has the same design as this one. You can check that out in another video. This is a prototype, which means that the build quality of it is not up to par with what the finished product is going to look like. But it should look like this, basically. As you can see at the end of it, we have a Yanti logo. Also, we have, if you notice, the button up here is a nice firm Dura-C style button, which is really good. Basically, this is meant as a, well, I suppose it's meant as a home device, but then again, it's so nice that you really, I wouldn't mind smoking this in public. I mean, I would definitely feel proud to actually be using this. But let me show you some vapes of it. As I mentioned in the other preview I did of the Ego, I don't want to cut in these previews. I want to show you what it is. I'm not trying to sell it. I'm not a reviewer. I just design these things. So I just want to show you like the initial functioning of it and everything. So I'm going to do everything in one cut. So let me try to do some puffs on it first of all. So. The liquid I'm using is still Yanti green tea, which I like personally. So it's not some liquid that boosts like the vapor that comes from it. I'm just going to do some more puffs to actually show you this in angle also, and just like show you the normal use of it. Really good vape. It's very strong. Has a lot of character. It reminds me of the Yanti stick in vapor production, which is logical since it has an 801 atomizer. But at the same time, it feels deeper somehow. Oh, let me show you some more so I don't like smoke myself stoned or something. The basic idea of this, and this is just a prototype, so I can't show you all of it actually. The basic idea is this is the atomizer cover. Let me just go ahead first and remove the fill cap here. And as you probably can hear, it's like a nice smooth screw off action. What you have here is you have basically the atomizer cover and then some excess juice because I've been using this all day. Then you have the atomizer. The atomizer screws on and off, surprise. And everything goes like really, it's really smooth. It's really smooth action. Furthermore, normally when this piece is done, this centerpiece is going to be, you're going to be able to unscrew this from everything else. So basically, this means that you're going to have the, you're going to be able to buy new battery houses. And as we have been discussing back and forth, we're hoping to actually implement a high-powered battery house like next year, which means that this would be a bit longer, but then either give more milliamps, like a longer duration of vaping, or actually produce more power. But we can't deny or confirm any of this yet. So also this has an extra feature. I mean, apart from you being able to unscrew this part, which I can't do right now since it's a prototype, so it's actually glued on. But you're going to be able to unscrew this part, and this part you can then put into a charger. I believe, but without you actually holding me to this, I believe that we are going to sell this with 2 battery houses once you buy it, so you can always smoke on one and recharge the other one. However, and this is a nice little feature, the cap with the Yanti logo on it unscrews very easily, as you can see, and hides to USB. This means that you can actually vape on USB. Let me see if I've got something attached here in my mad scientist lab. I should have some. There we go. So what happens is that you plug this in. Let me see, like this. And it glows red. And then you're able to vape USB wise, which is of course, which is very, very nice for those of us who kind of to smoke a lot. But at the same time, I of course love the way I designed it, where you have the cable at the end. So this basically means that you can just, always pick it up and you don't have to fumble around with the cable. Also, and this is just a small detail, but I'm just going to mention it anyways, the button is actually protruding a small bit from the body, which means that when you put it down on the table, it's not going to roll off the table. It can't do that. It's going to get stopped by the button. So yeah, let me give you some tokes off the USB so you can see it. Really good. I've been smoking far too much today. Anyway, so this is how you charge it, and screw the cap back on, which is nice and easy. It's a deliberate part of the design that there's no light at the end of it, just a logo, because I felt that if you're having a discussion or a conversation with somebody, preferably a conversation, and you were smoking, you didn't want the light diode to go off all the time. So basically we just kept, like the light up here instead, which I think is much nicer. Also, I'm hoping, but I can't confirm this yet, that we're going to do it so that in the final version you can unscrew the cap, plug in the USB cable, and it's going to flash 5 times. If you press once during those 5 times, you're going to be able to cycle the light diode, which means that you can select which color you want yourself. And again, next year I hope we will be able to introduce this with basically with a longer battery house for more vaping power, or maybe even more power. I believe this one right now has 800 milliamps, which is compared to the Yanchi stick is over twice the power of that. So this will last you a day, and last you a day where you actually get good vape all day and not just diminished power all the time. And basically this is it. This is the Baby J. I really hope you like it, because I think it's nice, definitely. So that's it for me. Take care.